Acha, already done. Today I'll complete number 6. Okay, and more to do part. Number 6.
Okay, fine. Yes.
Look at this. All of you take out your copy. Take out your copy. Anjum, I am coming. At first, let me complete it. Huh? Up to this already we done yesterday.
Are you present?
Anjum, first complete this one, then I am coming. No, not now, beta, not now. I'll come back to you. But at first, let me complete the questions. Look, name 3 ready. Already first question done. What are the 3 readies? That means ready means radius of 12 form. Okay. Swarnakshi, Bhaiya, keep your camera on. Acha, radius means which consists of 2 points. One is the center, another is lying on the circle, another point lying on the circle. That means look at this. O is the center. Now from O, which points, which line segment are there where the other point is on the circle? Look, OP, OC and OB also. Okay, write this one. 3 ready. OP, OC and OB. And OB. Right. Do it fast. Swarnakshi written. Acha, today also Vaya is in the garden, right? Very good. Okay. Basically, there will be no network issue as well as your health will be okay also, no? Acha, now look. The second question. Name the longest chord. Acha, I told you yesterday, na? Wow, which one is the longest chord? Is the diameter, na? The longest chord. Longest chord is the diameter. I told you yesterday, Sushnata, Shirin, Oishani, Obhipsha. Okay. Anjum, understood to beta? Anjum, Farzana. Now longest chord means the diameter. Acha, here which one is the diameter? Diameter is BC, na? Look at your book. That will be BC. Okay, let me write this one. For this, OB, OC and OP. For this longest chord, this one will be BC. Now the third one. Name the center. O is the center, na? So write O is the center.
Okay. Now all of you get ready with
Look at this. O is the center.
our syllabus are completed, right?
Now number D. Name an arc. Arc already I explained. Farzana, are you writing?
Yes. So from today we have to just practice and practice.
Moshi,
All types of sound. Addition,
Swarnakshi, keep your camera on. These 3 done. Now the 4th one. Name the arc. Look at the figure. This one is the arc, na? I told you. Just like a part of a circle, of the boundary of circle. Look. Here, this one is given, na? Look at this. From D to F. That means we can write the arc D, E, F. And we have to mention the shine symbol. We have to draw the symbol. Okay. Maushim done. Ankita, Sharanya, Parijat, keep your camera on. Anubhav, Shirin, Noraz and Raiza. Completed though? Good. Now E. Name 2 chords. Acha, chord. Already I told you diameter is a chord. Yes, though. So 2 chord we can say AB and BC. 2 chord, this answer will be AB and BC. Now you can say, ma'am, this one is chord clear, but this one is the diameter. But I told you now, diameter is the longest chord. That means it is a chord also. Diameter is a chord, but all chord is not the diameter. Okay. Look, this one, this chord is not diameter. Acha, now answer it. All of you understood? Shirin, Noraz? Yes, ma'am. Good. Mousha, Devoshpita, Paushali, Sampriti. Good. Trisha, Mohammad Nahid, Rajpreet, Ashia, Oishi. Acha, okay. Oishani, Obhipsha, Sheikh Intekab, Farhan Malik, Mohammad Sahim and Bonosri. Understood? Good. Shoykot, Shahil Jamal, Sheikh Irfan, Wajid, Shayon, Shomdatta, Sheikh Azzadur. Keep your camera on. Ashmit, Shaud, Shrestha, Afrina, Ananya. Understood too? Shulagna, keep your camera on, beta. Shulagna. Acha, Mohammad Nahid understood too? Okay. Now, I told number 7 and 8 will not be in the syllabus. Okay, forget about that. Now, open the next page. Look at the next page. Question number 9. Which of the following objects are circular in shape? Circular means looks like circle. So which one? A coin? A pencil? No, pencil will never be. Acha, a hula hoop? Window? Ruler? A paper? No, only the answer will be a coin. It looks like a circle. Okay? Acha, I have told you one, a coin. And I have told that window will never be, pencil will never be. Acha, hula hoop, a paper and a ruler. Among these 3, which one will be a circle? If there is any circle or circular shape or not, you will have to do it. This is common sense basically. You can answer it very well. One to already I told, a coin. The other you will have to find if you get. Okay, so question number 9 will be your homework. Now no need to write a coin, huh? It will be a homework. By mistakenly I told the answer, one answer, okay? So this one will be your homework, huh? Because this is general knowledge. Conceptual question. Now look at this. More to do part. Question number 1. Look at question number 1. First one is given the name of the figure on the right is what? Look, in the both side it is given arrow sign. Na? That means we can extend in both sides. Yes or no? Noraz, Shirin, Raiza, in the both side it is given arrow means what? We can extend endlessly. Yes. So which option will be there? Number C, na, look. Yes, good. So tick on number C. Now the second one. The point is in the line segment TU, both T and U. If the line segment is TU, that means both the points are in the line segment. Suppose this is the line segment TU. That means both the points are on the line. Na? Yes, to Anubhav. Okay. Just shake your head if it is yes, if you have understood. Ankita, is it clear? Acha, good. So, what will be the answer? Both T and U. Option C. Okay. Now the next one. Dash has only one end point. Ray, so many times done. Okay. Now the fourth one. Sharanya, where are you? Sharanya and Parijat, keep your camera on. Parijat. Swarnakshi, Parijat, don't try to be over smart. You have kept a photo like in this way, so that teacher thinks that you are in the class, na? Don't do this type of thing, huh? Keep your camera on. Okay. Now look at this. The fourth one. Dash can be extended endlessly in both the direction. Both the direction endlessly means line, na? So it will be line. Okay, Oishani, Obipsha, understood? Shampriti, Mousha. Oishani, keep your camera on. Anjum, understood beta? Nushaiba, Rajpreet, Bonusri, okay, good. Somdatta, Afrina. Sit properly, huh? Afrina. Okay. Now look at this. The fifth one, which tells about the position of any object. Tells about the position of any object. Yes, to Ankita. Now the next one, sixth one. The curves which dash themselves are called simple closed curve. Simple closed curve means what? They will never intersect. The curve will never intersect. If it intersect in this way, that means here is the intersection point. That means it will be not a simple closed curve, na? Yes, Tom. Shirin, where are you? Achha, okay. So that means a simple closed curve means this curve will not intersect. Now look, bisect, it will not be there. Wait. It will not be there. Trisect, no. Intersect, no. So none of this will be the answer. Basically, the answer is they do not intersect. It does not intersect itself. So none of this will be the correct answer. Do it. Moshim, understood? Good. Paushali, Oishani, Obipsha, Farzana Alam, Sushnata, Parija, Trisha. Okay. Now look at this. Swarnakshi beta, understood too? Achha, now the alphabet O. O means circle. This alphabet is a dash curve. Basically, it is a closed curve. Or you can say simple closed curve. Now look, what are the options? It is closed curve, simple closed. Now look, both of these are correct. So look at the Option D, both B and C. Yes, to.
Very good. Community.
Noras? Yes, to.
Correct. Very good. In this way,
Okay.
well done, Ikra. Down your hands.
Now look at the next one. The alphabet X.
Welcome, beta.
What is given here? BONE of this, both, or acha, it will be none of this. Huh? That is spelling mistake. Acha, now look at 8. The alphabet X. Basically, it is open curve. Yes, to. Shotik. If what are you doing, Oishani and Ovipsha? You are fighting, huh?
Yes, Shrimani also. Very good.
Not fighting. I'll call your mom, huh? Acha, okay. You are not fighting though? Then sit both of you together. Little bit closer. A bit closer. Ah, yes. Acha, okay. Acha, now 8th one done to. Look, the 9th one. A triangle has 3 sides. Yes, correct. 3 vertices also correct. Both side and vertices. Yes, actually that will be option C. Both. 3 sides and vertices both. Yes. And 3 angles also, na? Farzana? Sushnata? Okay. Parijat doing? Acha, I am observing, huh? Oishani Ovipsha, if you are fighting. Acha, okay. Now the next one, number 10. A dash is a closed figure made up entirely of 3 line segment. 3 line segment means triangle, na? Yesterday I told to, yes or no? Ah, yes, okay. So it will be triangle.
This sign means just a minute.
Look at this.
Just a minute. Sancha.
All the student understood that. Let me take the name. Farzana, Oishani, Ovipsha, Sushnata, Parijat. Good. Acha, next. Noras, Bonusri, Maushim. Understood? Good. Noras, which one you have not understood? Sixth one. Acha, okay, Noras, I am explaining. Acha, Noras, basically, suppose the curve is given like this way, okay? That means these are simple closed curve, huh? It is closed, that's why closed. But suppose they are overlapping. Look, in this way they are overlapping, na? Here is the overlap portion. Yes or Noras? Suppose I am doing in this way. Look at this. It is overlapping portion. So if it is overlapping means this one intersection. If intersection is there, that means this will not remain open. Okay, अगर intersect कर गया, तब वो simple curve नहीं रहेगा. Understood तो Noras? Simple curve means ऐसे ही simple रहेगा. Intersect नहीं करेगी. This will remain simple. Okay, just there will be starting point and ending point. It will be just a closed figure. Understood to Noras now? Okay, beta. Acha, now look at this. Shornakshi, Shampiti, Sharanya, Raiza. Understood? Good, beta. Kaushali, Mohammad Nahid, Ashia, Oishi. Understood? Shoikot, Sheikh Irfan, Somdatta, Ashmit, Afrina. Good. Anjum, Shulagna, Nusaiba, Deboshmita. Understood? Anjum beta. Ankita, Mousha, Mohammad Saim, Shirin. Okay. Inteka, Aschadur, Trisha, Rajpreet, Shaud.
Well done, sir.
Trisha, Shrestha. Good, good. Vajid, Farhan, Sharanya, Shifat. Acha, who is this? Showman Pal. This is Ishika Pal, probably, na? Ishika, keep your camera on. It is written Showman Pal over there. Ishika, rename yourself, huh? Shayon, Anonna, Anushka, understood to? Keep your camera on and say better.
Arhan also say Arhan. Here you have to make
Acha, good, very good.
put the
Those who are keeping their camera off, na, they will be marked as absentee.
four people
Now look at this.
আর আনসারটা ঠিক করে লিখবে
Fill in the blank.
5টা কি 5
Okay.
4 so 5
A square is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four sides are there. So write a square is a quadrilateral.
okay down your hand then Ayush
Acha, let me write it properly, huh? QUA, I am telling the spelling, write it.
Ayush being project
DRILATERAL.
তুমি এখানে আয়ুষ
Quadrilateral. Acha, triangle is a,
তুমি এখানে কি করবে
it is a polygon. Acha, square also we can say polygon, huh?
4 people ছিল and 2 cards ছিল তো cards লিখবে then after তুমি যে আনসারটা করেছো 8টা যে
But as we know,
but 8টা যে পেয়েছো সেটা কি
the other name also, if four sides are there, then it is quadrilateral. So I am writing quadrilateral, huh? Polygon will be also the correct answer.
then after Vaishali also yes Vaishali process
Acha, Ankita, Shirin, Sushnata,
next page what
understood?
Ayush
Okay, good. Mohammad Saim. Acha, Mohammad Saim and Shirin. Keep your camera in such a way. Ankita, what happened? Huh?
one page ই হয়ে গেছে হ্যাঁ তাই দেখলাম ঠিক আছে
Oof, we are getting tired now.
ঠিক আছে
So much sums has been done. Now I am getting tired, na? Acha, yes, keep the camera in such a way. Okay, acha, now I am moving for the next page, huh? I'll move for the next page, so okay, good. Open at page number
মন্দির you have to hold your
137.
দেখতে পাচ্ছি হ্যাঁ yes go
Look at this.
হ্যাঁ
Acha. Now one by one I will ask, you will have to answer, huh? Acha, Meheria,
Rashi also good
Shulagna, are you there? Okay, Anjum, this question. A line has a fixed dash and dash. First fill in the blank, same. Acha, a circle has a, sorry, I told line. A circle has a fixed dash and dash. Two fixed things are there. Center now, one center we can say. It is fixed now. Ashmit, Somdatta, Shulagna. Ah, yes. Okay. Anjum, good. It will be center too. First one.
where is your mark copy
And second one will be radius. Huh?
কোথায় ম্যাথ কপিটা কোথায়
Radius. Now number D. Dash is the longest chord of a circle. Acha, Nodas, you are there?
মেহেরা সম্প্রীতি হ্যাঁ সম্প্রীতি
Not Nodas, Raisa. Answer it. Which one is the longest chord of a circle? I told so many times. Today even I told.
ওকে ম্যাডাম
The longest chord is the, look at your copy and say. Moshim, say.
কাছে নিয়ে এসে করতে হ্যাঁ দাঁড়াও
Nodas, say. Which one is the longest chord?
না
Good, very good. Diameter. Number D answer is diameter.
ভিডিওটা তোমাকে দেখাতে হবে তুমি শুধু আনসারটা লিখে দিলে হবে না 8 সিরিজ
diameter. Okay. Now number E, the boundary length. Boundary means if this one is a circle, this length, boundary length. Okay. That one of a circle is called its circumference. Okay. This is a new word. This boundary is known as circumference. Okay. This boundary is called circumference. Let me write it. Number E, I am writing the answer here. Huh? All of you write it. Good. Farzana, you have done. If you have done in book, then do it in your copy right now. Because you will have to do in class. Circumference. Circumference. Write the spelling properly, huh? Sushnata written, Oishani Obhipsha. Completed, beta? Acha, okay, I am waiting for 1 minute. I am waiting. हाँ, पारिजात done तो? अच्छा, circumference, or you can also say perimeter, huh? Parijat, you want to talk to me? Wait, I am coming. Wait, beta, I am coming. Let me complete this one. Acha, our dash has one end point. It will be ray. Ray has only one end point.
I know you are finished.
Ray, okay. Acha, number G. Our dash has two end point. Two end point, Parijat, you will say the answer. Acha, Farzana, very good. Huh? Line segment. Acha, number G answer is line segment. Okay. Acha, number 8. A line has no end points, na? Good. Yes, Farzana, I have seen. Good. Acha, Bonusri, no. Very good. Okay, no end point. Now, number I. Acha, whom I will ask only he or she will be answerable. Notice what happened. Huh? Swarnakshi, acha, Maushim. Okay, Maushim. Maushim, a heptagon has how many sides? Show it by using your finger. 6 or 7? 7. Very good. Acha, 6 means what, Swarnakshi? 6 means hexagon. Okay. Shampriti, Raisa, understood too? So, heptagon means 7. Now the next one, our dash has 9 sides. Mohammad Nahid, are you able to answer it? Which has 9 sides? Somdatta, Shoikov, Somdatta say? Nonagon, very good. Good. So all the students completed too. Acha, now one thing. Number 2. This one will be your homework. Okay, tomorrow you will complete this at home and you will send it in the assignment section. I will check if there is any mistake. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss this one. And tomorrow also I'll start perimeter and area. Okay. Now everybody unmute yourself and say whether you have any doubt. Acha, continuously I can see that Shoikot, you are not there. Even Sheikh Irfan, you are not there. Sheikh Irfan and Shoikot. Acha, okay. Now you will show me your copy and as well as you will say whether have you understood or not. Huh? The name I am taking, show me your copy.
Yes.